Have you ever scrolled through your bank statement only to be met with a confusing jumble of charges? You recognize some, that gym membership, the usual streaming service suspects, but others leave you scratching your head. Wait, what was Mystery Box Monthly again? We've all been there. Subscriptions are fantastic for convenience, but keeping track of them all can be a nightmare. Enter Rocket Money in the US, a service that tackles unwanted subscriptions head-on. But what about us Brits? Is there a UK equivalent to Rocket Money, ready to save the day, and our wallets? The subscription boom, a double-edged sword. Let's face it, subscriptions are everywhere. From the music that fuels our workouts to the curated coffee beans delivered to our doorstep, they offer undeniable benefits. No more forgetting to renew that essential app, and the convenience factor is undeniable. However, therein lies the rub. The sheer volume of subscription services can quickly become overwhelming. We sign up for a free trial here, a discounted offer there, and suddenly, our bank accounts are hemorrhaging money on services we barely use. The peril of subscription creep. Subscription creep is a real phenomenon. It starts subtly, a few extra pounds here and there for that new fitness app or that language learning platform. But before you know it, those little charges can add up to a significant chunk of your monthly budget. Worse yet, many subscriptions come with sneaky renewal clauses. That free trial you signed up for? It might automatically convert to a paid subscription unless you cancel within a specific window, often buried deep within the terms and conditions. The dream, a Rocket Money for the UK. So, what's a savvy Brit to do? Ideally, we'd have a service like Rocket Money readily available. Rocket Money, for those unfamiliar, is a US-based platform that helps users manage their subscriptions. They identify unused or unwanted subscriptions, negotiate lower rates, and even cancel them on your behalf with a single click. Sounds pretty amazing, right? The reality, UK alternatives to Rocket Money. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct equivalent to Rocket Money in the UK yet. However, fear not, fellow subscription-weary Brits. There are still ways to wrestle control of your monthly outgoings. Here are a few options to consider. Utilize your bank's features. Many UK banks now offer built-in subscription management tools within their online banking platforms. These tools allow you to view all your subscriptions in one place, making it easier to identify and cancel unwanted ones. Third-party subscription management apps. While there isn't a direct Rocket Money clone, several UK-based apps focus on subscription management. These apps scan your bank statements, identify subscriptions, and allow you to track and manage them. The old-fashioned way, manual monitoring. This might seem tedious, but it's incredibly effective. Regularly review your bank statements and identify any unrecognized charges. Don't be afraid to contact the service and ask for clarification or cancellation. Remember, you're in control. Whether you use a dedicated app, your bank's tools, or good old-fashioned vigilance, the key takeaway is this: you are in control of your subscriptions. Don't let them become a mystery box of unwanted charges. Take a proactive approach, regularly review your subscriptions, cancel what you don't use, and negotiate where possible. By taking charge, you can ensure your hard-earned money goes towards things you truly value. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.